afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Hi, student.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, student.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, very good. Today we are going to learn a new activity. Introduce yourself. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Home, stand up. Tell me about yourself.
I am home. I am 9 years old. I am in standard 4. I like rice. I like dog. I can swim.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Yes, so Kavya, stand up.
My name is Kavya Rajuvam today. I am 10 years. I am in standard 4. My school name is Jorpi Primary School, South Badekar. I like running.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Hemant, stand up. Tell me about yourself.
I am Hemant. I am 9 years. I am in standard 4. I like banana. I like teacher.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Radhika, stand up. Introduce yourself.
I am Radhika. I am here. I am 11 years. I am in standard 4. I like flowers. I can sing a song.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Rajesh, stand up.
I am Rajesh. I am 11 years old. I am in standard 4. I like banana and apple. I can swing. I like dog.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Mithali, stand up.
I am Mithali. I am 9 years. I am in standard 4. I like mango. I have a red face.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Dandra, stand up.
I am Nandran. I am 10 years. I am in standard 4. I like banana.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Sarla, stand up. Tell me about yourself.
I am Sarla. I am 10 years. I am in standard 4.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Bye, student.
Bye, teacher.